Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to safely buy a used any iPhone. If you want to buy a used iPhone, then you need to consider these steps. First of all, you actually want to go ahead and open the settings on your iPhone. Then you simply want to go to the general section. Here, you want to go ahead and click on the about section. Then scroll down and look next to IMEI or MEID. For the number, it's usually a 15-digit number. Then you want to go to the CTIA, a stolen phone checker website, and enter the number into the fields provided as well. Then you want to check the box check the box next to I am not a robot and click on the submit button. The website returns a green not reported, lost or stolen, or red notice that a phone has been reported as lost or stolen. If the report contains anything other than the green notice, it's better to look elsewhere for the new phone as well. So this is one of the things. The next thing you want to consider is battery life. You want to go ahead and open up your settings, then go to battery. Then you want to go to battery health. The percentage display in the maximum capacity section tells you how good a battery life is. A perfect brand new battery on a brand new phone would have 100% capacity, so the closer you are to that, the better it is. So likewise, you could also go ahead and check for other hardware damages, or you could also go ahead and choose the right storage capacity or access features and price as well. These are some of the things you want to consider. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.